crypto gang? Welcome back to another episode. If you guys are new here, we do a giveaway at the beginning of every single episode, and today's winner is Ehab Begdawi. Thanks so much for commenting on the previous video. Ehab, I just sent you some crypto. On this special episode, I'm going to go over Unstoppable Domains. I did an interview with Brad, the CEO and founder of Unstoppable, at the BTC Miami event earlier this year. He's a great guy. It was a lot of fun talking to him. I followed up with him when I got back to the San Francisco Bay Area. We got coffee. We got to talking about the ZILLIQA testnet, and we got a chance to talk about the ZILLIQA mainnet launch in June. ZILLIQA. What Unstoppable Domains is doing is it is applying a new user experience for the crypto payment space, allowing you to pretty much add a mask for your Ethereum or your Bitcoin wallet address and changing that to a domain like steve.zil. They've been building on top of the ZILLIQA blockchain, which is a very high throughput blockchain, very high transaction speeds, and effectively they are live now on the testnet. As many of you are beginners, there is a testnet that people will go on, almost like a production stage in development, where you can test things out with fake money and you can go back and forth, beat things up and test things around. And then when you're ready, you can push to mainnet. And that is when you are live on a public blockchain. ZILLIQA is a very well-known project. I've talked to them in the past at San Francisco Blockchain Week. They're very well-known all across the space for having very high throughput and a very responsive development team. Before I dive into the demo, as another disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. The Unstoppable Domains team is doing a campaign on Grow Your Base that is linked below, so you guys can go get a chance to sign up for their affiliate program, subscribe to their newsletter, and just check out their website, play around the testnet, and get ready for the June mainnet launch. All that being said, what I'm gonna do in this demo video is I'm gonna go through the testnet platform where we can go through with 300 ZILLIQA. We can purchase a domain name so you can see what it looks like to buy one of the pre-registered domain names. If you're currently hodling ZILLIQA, you can purchase the domain names as pre-registered when it goes live on mainnet in June. But for right now, you can actually pre-register for $250 on these different domain names using other payment methods. But when it goes live, you'll be able to purchase with ZILLIQA. Part of the reason that I've been very interested in Unstoppable Domains since the first time I met them at their booth at BTC Miami and started talking to Brad, it was really the fact that these are censorship resistant websites. Human readable experience is gonna lower the barrier to entry to crypto payments. So without further ado, I'm gonna run through that demo on the testnet so you guys get a chance to check it out, and let's dive right into it. So right when you go to the testnet.unstoppabledomains.com, you can see that they have their ability to search for domain names right on the homepage. I've already created an account, so what we're gonna do is we're going to run through the process after you have signed up on their website, but what you're gonna need to do is create a wallet first. So you're gonna click here. It's gonna drop you right onto the testnet wallet. You'll go through, enter in a passphrase, you will download your key store that you can upload onto the Unstoppable Domains. It'll give you an account. Once you've created the testnet wallet and you have downloaded your key store file, you will need to go to the testnet faucet where you can claim 300 ZILLIQA really quickly, and you can actually use that to purchase domains on the testnet. This isn't actual money. This is the money on the testnet that you can use for testing. The faucet has the exact same interface, the Nucleus Wallet Beta, and you can just go on here, import your key store file again, and you enter your passphrase in, and once you've done that, you will be able to receive 300 testnet tokens. As you can see, I just did it and it gave me 300 ZIL on the testnet, and I have my address ready. It gives you a confirmation of the ZIL for testing transaction. Now you can toggle back to Unstoppable Domains testnet and you can purchase some of the pre-registered domains. Once you get back and you have uploaded your key store file or your private key onto the Unstoppable Domains website, you will be able to purchase domains using that test ZIL that is on the testnet. So let's go ahead and enter hackcrypto.zil. Let's search. It will say that it is available. I can claim it. It shows the balance that I just showed you on the testnet. Let's go ahead and claim. And it's gonna load. It's actually going to testnet right now, checking balance, and then it's going to come back with that I have purchased the URL. And after this has been purchased, I will be able to send hackcrypto.zil to anyone, and they will be able to send money to me, whether it is, on Ethereum or on Bitcoin. It will send it to that address and it will convert into my wallet. As you can see, the transaction went through. You can actually click on this and check that it has gone through. And once you've done that, you are ready to go. This is the whole process of purchasing domains on the testnet in June. When the auction goes live and the mainnet launch goes live, you will be able to use this URL and people will be able to send me currency, whether they're sending ZILLIQA itself or they're sending me Bitcoin or Ethereum. It will be able to have that user experience instead of sending a long encrypted wallet address. And that is it. It is that easy. Once you have set up your testnet wallet, you have gone to the faucet to get 300 ZIL on the testnet sent to your wallet. You've uploaded your private key or your key store file on Unstoppable Domains. You can search for whatever .zil domain you would like to mask your wallet addresses with, and then you can purchase it using the testnet tokens that were provided to you by the faucet. And they are currently accepting the pre-registrations for different domains. So at $250 a pop, you can actually purchase premium domains from them now using different types of currencies. But when it goes live, you will be able to use ZILLIQA. That's it for my overview of the Unstoppable Domains testnet for the auction that is going live in June on the mainnet. And if you guys are interested in anything that I've covered in the video so far, the link to Unstoppable Domains as well as their Grow Your Base campaign is below. So you guys can go check them out, show them some love. And if you guys like this video, slap a like. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next episode of Hack Crypto.